So this is Cool Trains in Montreal, and I'm here at the Salon Du Hobby on the 5th of November 2023. And it's not just trains that are here. Look at these gigantic ship models. And an entire another room that I found. It's the cafeteria to the school. It's like a fishing boat or something. The ship's name must be here. Richelieu. Probably a trawler. And this is really cool. Looks like a Liberty ship. What's cool about this is it's got the streaks of rust and everything. Super detailed. All the crane structure. What you can hear there, I think, is a battle simulation with tanks and stuff, remote controlled tanks. And we have some remote controlled cars. Lighting is not ideal here, I think. But here are the giant planes. These are the kind that you put gasoline in them probably and fly them. Here's a Spitfire. I think that's a Spitfire. Mosquito, maybe. That's a Mustang. That's a Mustang. I'm pretty sure. The size of this thing. It's a Blue Angels, what do you call it? F-18 Hornet, I think. Look at this helicopter here. I mean, that is cool. Look at how big it is. Looks like some Cessnas. A lot of car models here. The type of helicopter that Magnum PI had, or TC had in Magnum PI. And this Spirit of St. Louis plane. It has basically the panels removed so you can see how it worked. And this is a whole second room that I discovered here. Not just the train room I was in before. here at the Salon Du Hobby. So if you like what I do, please subscribe to Cool Trains in Montreal. Have a good day.